graders. Let us understand a concept called distance and displacement today. So here is a little illustration. This is a horse who wants to go to this tree. Okay. Now this horse found out that there's some obstruction out here and he cannot reach the tree directly. So on day 1, that is, let's say on a Friday, he went on a jolly good ride like this. Jolly good ride, and he came here. That's day 1, Friday. On Saturday, he figured out that he was very tired with his long journey. So the length of path he traveled was a little less. He got a little smarter and he came to this tree. This is Saturday. This is Sunday. He figured out that oh my god, there was a path which could have traveled from here to here. So this is the shortest distance from where he started to where he ended. Starting is called initial position, ending is called final position. So the shortest distance between the initial to final is happening on Sunday. That is displacement. And what he did on Friday and Saturday was the total length of path traveled by the body. Here the body is horse. So that is distance. This is distance, and the shortest length between the initial to final is known as displacement. Since it is the length only, this is length only. That is on Friday length he covered, Saturday length he covered, Sunday also he covered the length, though it is the shortest length. The SI unit of distance and displacement would be meter only.